Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's Arco Pro, doesn't really matter. I went in there, killed JWM and installed nim or Mindo. And the topic of the video is actually, if we update, back a few weeks back, right, I installed linux-cachyos. And you know that we have the possibility to install from the AOR, yay or Peru, your choice. You can go and have a look and say, okay, what is the latest reference number version of linux-cachyos? So from time to time, mostly right before we're building ISOs, we go grab the latest linux-cachyos from, yes, Chaotic. We do not build it ourselves from the AOR because building ISOs, Linux kernels is way too long. They're already built. You can install them from Chaotic. And that's basically what happened here in the past, 6.12, 7.1 here. And what we see here is there is already a 6 and a 0.8 here rather than a 0.7 and a 0.6 on our repos, right? So let me remind you that we have this script, and the number, the previous video I've made was in 19 October 2024. It's number 4294, but we have something called get. And get what? Lots of things we can get on ArcoLinux, get chat WM, get latest OS live, not for me, get me started, yes please, and get linux-cachyos, that's the one we need now, right? Remember that there is something like this. So if you choose to go for the kachyos kernel, which we've done officially in the Plasma ISO, but you can do it on any system, anywhere, any Arch-based system, as long as you have the Chaotic repo. So what we do is actually run a script, and there we go. 6.12.7 is replaced by 6.12.8. It's as simple as remembering it starts with get. That's all you need to remember, and you'll see the long text there. Ctrl-T, get, minus, tab. And there it is. Get linux-cachyos from Chaotic repo. Very clear what it does, what it should do. It's gonna do some steps, so have a look at the coding at the top. It's gonna overwrite your pacman.conf. Well, first make a backup here. Here's the backup. And then start with the official one, the official pacman.conf from ArcoLinux. That's the only way how to stay in control, right? Making sure there is no ArcoLinux at some point in time. So there's only Chaotic AOR, and if there's only core extra multilib Chaotic, voila, then this comes in. And then again, we put everything back the way it should be before we started everything, and the pacman.conf script is being put back, so the backup is back. And if we type, we get this now, and now it says local 6.12.8 is newer than 6.12.6. So this is only if you have issues, for instance, or if you are the guy that says, I want to have always a very last kernel, I want to try it, right? Voila, then this is something for you. Otherwise, we'll just update it ourselves in 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, certainly once a month, since we make ISOs every month. All right. So remember, there are these get things which are very interesting. Get chat WM is, for instance, for me interesting. This is Nindo. And yeah, every desktop has its advantages. Have a look and decide what you like. Cheers.